Hello, my name is Dr. Nicola Dellinger from Durango, Colorado, and this is for my submission to do a 2 or 2.5 hour workshop. And what I would like to do there is talk about working with chronic disease through the focus of childhood trauma. And there is a lot of research connecting in the somatic experience of trauma that we've held on since childhood. And the longer that I am in practice, the more and more I realize that some of my patients don't get better, even with the best possible treatment plan that anyone could come up with, simply because they're carrying around this baggage from their youth. So in this presentation, I do want to spend some time going over the HPA axis really, really briefly, talking about some of the research supporting this really what's new but not new, how the science is and the literature is actually catching up with the idea that presence and dealing with hidden wounds is actually the cure to most of what ails people, and is oftentimes the stumbling block that's getting in the way of our patients really taking it to the next level, because they're doing the diet changes, they're taking their supplements, and we're still getting maybe less than perfect results. So I have found in my practice through mind-body medicine, homeopathy, herbs, some flower essences, things like that, that I would love to share with your group of practitioners, because this has changed the entire way that I do medicine, and the results that I'm having are just so much better. And I, as a practitioner, am not feeling so burdened with this idea of having the answer or fixing them, because I'm working through my own pieces that come up around being a wounded healer. And so I would love to have a nice chunk of time, like 2 or 2.5 hours, and be able to really deepen into our own experiential piece as practitioners, but then also guide people in how to use some mind-body techniques starting on Monday morning in their practice, because they are simple. There is no perfect way to do them. They don't require an extensive training. Really, after a 2-hour workshop with me explaining some of these pieces to them, they can walk home with a whole new set of tools, which will really, really shift their practice, hopefully allow them to not get burnt out and stay in practice, but more importantly, or as importantly, I should say, really elevate the experience for their patients. So again, my name is Nicola Dellinger, and I'm honored to be considered to present a workshop at the Hawaii Doc Talks 2019. Hope to see you soon. Bye.